Welcome to What Tradies Want magazine, Tradie Tough Tests, brought to you by Hard Yakka, where we put a range of tools and gear to the ultimate test. Today, we're looking at impact drivers, a must-have in every tradesman's toolkit. We've got 7 of the leading brands, and we'll be testing both battery and drill and putting them to the ultimate test. Builder and What Tradies Want tool tester, Stu Walker, will literally be driving these guys as hard as they can go.
Okay, with our impact drivers here, we want to put them to their toughest test, and we thought what better way to do that than by driving 75mm batten screws into this LVL, which is laminated veneer lumber and about structurally as strong as a piece of steel. What we're looking for is basically to see how far these guys can go until the battery dies or the thing heats up and basically burns out.
So it should be noted that we've got 7 of the leading brands of impact drivers here, but they do have different specifications, and the batteries, some have different amp hours. So we've got a range of 2 amp hours up to 3.3 amp hours, so we will be expecting different results. However, also coming into play are engine efficiencies, so we're going to get some pretty interesting results. Mate, let's get stuck in.
Okay.
Okay, Stu, so mate, we've tested 4 of the best, so what have you found so far?
So far I think they've all exceeded expectation. When we began we sort of thought they'd do around 30, so they've all done really well. Comfort wise, ergonomics, Makita, Hitachi, Bosch, very nice to use. The Milwaukee was far superior for power and speed. Right at the end there, the Panasonic, 3.3 amp hour. It smashed in 70 screws in under 15 minutes.
So there you have it, guys. You can catch all the wrap up of this tool test in the next issue, issue 10 of What Tradies Want, out in June. But in the meantime, this is Stu and Tom from What Tradies Want magazine, Tradie Tough Tests. See you later.